Hello everybody, this is Jeff Janess and welcome to our third lab exercise on geoprocessing tools in ArcGIS Pro. And this exercise will show you how to dissolve multiple features into a single feature, and we're going to use this tool to dissolve several forest stand polygons and use Centennial Forest into a single polygon representing the general project area. The name of this management unit is actually the Rock Project Unit, and in Lab Exercise 7 we're going to treat the Rock Project Unit as our management area, and we'll use it to clip a feature class. So the data we produce in this exercise will be used later on. Now this exercise is going to use the Dissolve tool at its most basic level, dissolving all features into a single object. However, we could use it to dissolve features based on some attribute field, where all features that share some common attribute value are dissolved to a single object. For example, if we had a polygon feature class of counties that had state names in the attribute table, we could dissolve that into a bunch of state polygons just by dissolving on the state name attribute field. Another example might be the Coconino National Forest motor vehicle use map, those MVUM roads. Many of those roads have names in the attribute table, and these roads are often divided into lots of segments. And in Lab Exercise 7, we're going to see that the road name Fry Park is broken into two polylines. And we could use this tool to dissolve the Coconino roads by these road name attributes, and afterwards that Fry Park road would be entirely represented by a single feature. Anyway, let's get started on it. First thing, we want to confirm that our default geodatabase is still set to the one we created in Lab Exercise 1, and I see that it is because it has the little house here. Let's open a new map, and we're going to add the shapefile stands from the Rock Project Unit. Okay, let's hit the Add Data and add that stands feature class. It's in the Rock Project folder. And we want to make sure we get the stands, not the plots. We want the stands. Okay, there we go. Now let's open up the Dissolve tool. It's in the Analysis. Go to Tools. It's actually in the Data Management Tools and in the Generalization sub-toolbox right here. We're going to dissolve the stands. We want the output feature class to be named a Rock Project Unit, so I'm just going to copy and paste. Put it in here. Want to confirm that it's saving it to our default geodatabase, and all is well. We're not going to dissolve based on any attribute fields, so we can leave this unchanged. And it's okay to create multi-part features. And in fact, multi-part features means that we'll have a single polygon that might have different islands. And that's the case here. We have two separate regions, and we'll get a single polygon that has both of those as a single object. All right. Hit Run. Goes to work. Pretty quick tool. And there we go. Notice that the entire Rock Project Unit, all the original stands are dissolved into a single object. We can confirm it's a single object by opening the attribute table. We see it only has a single row. All right, simple exercise. That's all there is to it. Thanks so much.